You didn't ask for this file. It's a hidden attachment Outlook creates when you paste an image into an email. Usually you can't view it, but there is a way to decode it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at the tool. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful MSO file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. The MSO format is widely known and distributed as a member of the document file family. The Microsoft Organization Chart data file provides the definitive structure for viewing. The MSO file is a proprietary HTML attachment file created by Microsoft Office. It is a small, often hidden file that contains proprietary data or formatting instructions used when an Office program generates an HTML email or document. Developed by Microsoft, the format is a specialized part of the Office ecosystem. Its design rules are undocumented and proprietary. The file is unusable outside of the Microsoft application that created it, as its purpose is simply to maintain specific Office-only formatting details within a web environment. The core association for the MSO file points directly to Microsoft Organization Chart, developed by Microsoft Corporation. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows can display the file, but detailed revision or formatting requires a document editor. Let's start the elimination process. Right-click your MSO file, then click Open With. Try Microsoft Organization Chart first, and if that fails, immediately test the next application in the list. If the MSO file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the MSO file is refusing to open. First, re-register MSO.dll. If encountering a missing MSO.dll error, open command prompt as admin and run regsvr32 MSO.dll followed by regsvr32 MSO.dll to re-register the file. Next, run system scans. Run the system file checker, sfcscanno, and dism, restore health, commands in command prompt to scan for and repair damaged Windows system files. Finally, repair reinstall Office. If the MSO error persists, run the quick repair function on your Microsoft Office installation or perform a full reinstall. If your file is still closed after all earlier tests, it likely needs software that can ignore file header errors. The next professional step gives us the best chance of opening your MSO file. Finally, the MSO problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you found this useful, please share it on social media and ensure you subscribe for more. Always double-check your file extensions before opening.